In this video, I'm going to show you how to send high quality photo in WhatsApp. WhatsApp has recently introduced a new feature that allows you the ability to send high quality photos in WhatsApp. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. To start, make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. Whichever operating system you are using, navigate your Play Store or App Store and make sure your WhatsApp app is up to date. Then your WhatsApp app, navigate to the contact that you want to send the photo to. In this case, I'm going to tap on this one. Then on this interface, proceed to tap on the camera icon. In this case, I'm going to tap on this. Then select the image that you want to send. So with this feature, up and above, you see a tons of options. As you could rightly see, I also have high definition. By tapping on this, I will now have the ability to send high definition image to this contact. As against the previous critics that said WhatsApp always compress the image that you want to send it to your contact, this new feature sort of address it. And after that, you can continue to tap on send. That's it. You have successfully sent high quality photo in WhatsApp. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.